Welcome to Cleaning Techniques. Incorrect or inappropriate cleaning techniques may spread harmful germs rather than removing them from a surface. Cleaning staff must understand the importance and techniques to minimize the risk of spreading harmful germs. This includes starting cleaning each area with a clean cloth and cleaning from the cleanest area to the dirtiest area. When cleaning areas which are potentially contaminated with a dangerous virus, such as the COVID-19, you should change cleaning cloths and equipment between bathrooms and different areas of the establishment to minimize the risk of cross-contamination. When cleaning areas which are potentially contaminated with a dangerous virus, such as the COVID-19, you should change cleaning cloths and equipment between bathrooms and different areas of an establishment to minimize the risk of cross-contamination. At the time of writing, all public areas should be treated as potentially contaminated with COVID-19 and potentially infectious. Incorrect or inappropriate cleaning techniques may spread microorganisms around rather than removing them from the surface being cleaned. The following points should form the basis of all standard operating procedures regarding cleaning in any environment where there is a heightened risk of a dangerous virus. The flow of cleaning should be from areas and fixtures and fittings which are considered relatively clean and finishing with the dirtiest areas. This means that areas which are low contact or lightly soiled should be cleaned before areas which are considered high contact or heavily soiled. When cleaning a bathroom, the toilet should be cleaned last, as it is likely to be the most contaminated element in that area. In the public areas of a hospitality establishment, high contact surfaces such as door handles, tables, seats, bar areas, poker machines should be cleaned last. In commercial buildings, high-touch surfaces such as door handles, light-switched handrails would be the most contaminated and cleaned last. The flow of cleaning should generally be from high to low reach surfaces. For example, when dusting horizontal surfaces in a room, high areas, such as those above shoulder height, should be done first, followed by other areas. The dusting technique should not disperse the dust. For example, use a damp cloth. When using cloths and buckets and a solution to clean, you should avoid double dipping used cloths into the bucket containing clean, unused cloths. Doing this can contaminate the remaining cleaning cloths which are in the common solution and result in spreading harmful germs to surfaces that are wiped afterwards. To maximize the use of cleaning cloths, they should be folded and rotated in a manner so as all surface areas of the cloth, including the front and back, are used progressively as elements are cleaned. More cloths may be required to clean high-touch surfaces compared to the same surface area of low-contact surfaces. When you take all the previous points into consideration, cleaning of an area should be performed in a logical way by using either clockwise or counterwise approach or a checklist for guidance. Upon completion, the whole area should be visually checked to ensure the area is thoroughly cleaned and that surfaces have not been missed. All elements which are broken or deteriorated to a point where cleaning is compromised should be reported and scheduled for replacement or maintenance as necessary. As previously discussed, the role of cleaning is to reduce the number of germs and by doing so, keep the people visiting your establishments healthy. However, if we don't clean properly, we'll fail to remove the germs and may actually spread an infection and make people sick. How could your cleaning procedures spread germs and make people sick? If you use dirty equipment, and in particular dirty cleaning cloths and dirty mops and buckets, you can spread harmful germs from one area or bathroom to another. You can reduce the chances of your cleaning from spreading infection by changing your cleaning cloths regularly and launder them or wash them at the end of each shift. Rinse or change your mops and change your bucket water regularly. Healthcare and aged care facilities require mops to be laundered or washed each day after use. Practice good personal hygiene and in particular regular hand washing. Failing to clean an area properly or not cleaning an area according to specification could increase the chances of harmful germs multiplying and spreading. When you are cleaning high-touch surfaces, it is important to remember the process for removing soils from the surfaces and then the process for disinfecting to remove the potentially harmful germs off the high-touch surfaces. Your cleaning procedures should focus on cleaning high-touch surfaces by applying techniques to remove contaminants from the high-contact surfaces and preventing cross-contamination or the spread of harmful germs. If you implement additional cleaning procedures because you're at risk of spreading an infectious disease such as COVID-19, the focus of your additional cleaning procedures should be more regular cleaning of high-contact surfaces. The most common high-touch surfaces in the toilet area are the sink, the toilet seat, the toilet handle, toilet doorknobs, toilet handhold, and the bathroom light switch. If you're doing general cleaning of your office or your establishment, focus on computer keyboards and mouse, desks, dining tables, door handles, hand railings, light switches, nappy change tables, reception counters, and telephone receivers. If you're cleaning in a hospitality area, the most common high-touch surfaces are door handles, tables, chair seats and arms, public bar areas, handrails, poker machines, and reception desks. High-touch surfaces require more frequent cleaning and disinfection than minimal contact surfaces. Cleaning and disinfection is usually done at least daily and more frequently if the risk of environmental contamination is higher. Low-touch surfaces are those that have minimal contacts with hands. For example, floors, walls, ceilings, mirrors, and windowsills. Low-contact surfaces require cleaning on a regular, but not necessarily a daily basis. They need to be cleaned periodically when soiling or spills occur.